In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram username. It's going to be a full guide tutorial video, so ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content. So head over to your Instagram, right? This is our Instagram. So click on this more, click on your settings, right? Click on the personal details, wait for it to load up. So I'm going to give it very few seconds for it to load up, right? It has opened up right now. You can see a lot of options here, right? So this is the profile. I'm going to be using the profile, right? Click on this. You can see your username right now. If I open it, right, my Instagram username is currently outwedo001, right? So if I click on this, I'm going to cancel it, and you can enter a new one if you love to do that, right? Click on the done once you're done. This is basically how you can change Instagram username. If you find this video, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm going to see you on the very next video.